Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa, and today's video is going to be a little less educational than the typical videos. This video will have a little place in my heart because it's a big thing that's happening in my life in the next few weeks. I'm pretty sure many of you guys do not know this, but in the next few weeks, I will be walking down the aisle. It's a big impact on my life and on my family's life, and I'll be walking down the aisle in the next few weeks. I'll be walking down the aisle as a maid of honor. Don't freak out. My older sister is getting married, and she's entrusted me with the task of making her a wedding lasso. My mother's wedding lasso was always something my sisters and I looked at growing up. It was something we've always wanted. We never really understood why we wanted it, but we wanted it. So 2 years ago when I started making rosaries, I knew that I was going to make the wedding lassos for both of my sisters and myself when it was our time to get married. And finally, the day has come and my older sister is going to get married, and I'm extremely excited. So I decided to document how I made the wedding lasso for her wedding. Now this video may seem a little choppy, a little hard to understand, so I give a little description in each clip to tell you what I'm doing. It's not really supposed to be a tutorial video, it's just more me documenting of how I made it. So if you're interested in watching me make a wedding lasso, then just keep on watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It took a lot of time to film. It took a lot of preparation because I knew I wanted to document it. Before I leave this video, I just wanted to give a quick story to let you know something about the wedding lasso. So the crucifix actually has a special story to it. I looked everywhere for this crucifix. I looked online, I looked in Catholic stores, no one would call me back. I would contact people and no one would respond. So I decided to take an hour trip out to West Covina and I approached this small Catholic store that I know is owned by a man and his wife. And I saw the perfect crucifix there. However, it was already attached to a wedding lasso that he had ordered to sell in his store. I told him that was the crucifix that I was looking for. He took his wire cutters, cut it off, and sold me the crucifix. It was amazing. It was something that I'd never imagined. That story is going to resonate with me for the rest of my life. And basically, with that story, I just want to let you guys know that what you do in other people's lives really impact them. And you may be the story that they share with their grandkids, because I know I'm probably going to be sharing that story with my children and my grandkids. So we all have a role in this world that God gave us. Let yours be a good one. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.